Parents should beware of imposing their own interests on their children.
His comments only made this issue more confusing for us to solve.
Governments can help reverse this economic trend by offering technical and financial aid.
This course belongs to the academic degree curriculum of communication postgraduates.
The invention would have a wide range of applications in industry.
Students are asked to prepare material in advance of each weekly seminar. The customers are required to rate the extent of their satisfaction. Our future prosperity depends on economic growth to some extent.
It's a great place for swimming, but beware dangerous currents.
Most countries tend to impose some sort of tax on alcohol and tobacco.
Even my friends often confuse me and my twin sister. The book provides some valuable information on recent economic trends.
She has been collecting material for her latest novel for more than a month.
Which one actually dictates our future, academic degree or capability?
The application for a new business license has been denied.
The man is probably the best-known painter in the world.
Suggested by her mother, she will take a diploma in management studies.
You have to do well academically to get into medical school.
The whole class were told to stay behind after school.
It is difficult for young people to find jobs around here.
New legislation on the sale of drugs will be introduced next year.
The teacher made me move my seat to the front of the classroom.
He had to spend about 6 months in a class with younger students.
We are aware of the potential problems and have taken every precaution.
She has successfully balanced a career and bringing up a family. The company has been performing poorly over the past 6 years.
I have not received an acknowledgement of my application yet.
The 2 international firms joined forces to win the big contract.
All children should be encouraged to realize their full potential.
Some benefits relate directly to the mental health of the teenagers.